Ice Money. Now I know it's been a while since I posted it on YouTube and Facebook for my freestyle music, but let's go. I will never stand up. Let's get having some fun, having some fun. Yeah, let's go. Now a lot of y'all wanted this, so I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. You hear me? Alright, yo. Time to sit down and reinvent this entire game. Spitting up after the hurricane. If people been knowing I'm bringing the pain. Standing tall like a great name. Man, I've never been the same. Always evolving, so I started out as that damn lane. Time to do that, carry the chain. Sitting back when I'm changing line. People been knowing I'm bringing the pain. Guns be shooting, I'm bringing the pain. Nobody else can do it like me. I am back, the legendary Ice Money. Time to do that with the veteran legend mixed down with the deadly. People been knowing me. I know I'm craziness, telling to watch out, mixing them with that viciousness. Got them on the blade with the tip of the carnivorous. I am the man that's about to go ahead and come number one. If you don't like it, hotter than the sun, till people been on my number, it's just fun. Go ahead, understand, I did this by my own hand, trying to become a better man, so now I came up with a deadly plan. I will never stand up, I never survive it, but I don't care what they say. Yo, I'ma do it my own way. Let's go. The way I do me, I won't have to answer. I finally be free. Now it's time to go ahead, man. I'm about to kick some dirt, make these people feel like they mark. So I sat down with a deadly verse. Go ahead, man, and go to churches. Otherwise, then I'm well alert. Better watch out, yeah, you know me, I'm putting in work. So I'm making bones collapse and putting people in misery. Body bag of the century, doing it externally. Internally, I'm doing this for eternity. If you don't like it, state of emergency. Either way, I can do it, man. It's a body bag of the century. So every time I sit in, doing it with symmetry, trying to mess it with me, man, with segment of your imaginary. Either way, you can do it, bars and delivery. I am the top, boy, I am number one. If you don't like it, well, run quick, son. I ain't trying to act hard, no, trying to become a star, but I got a piece of advice, you better go get in your car. I will never stand up, I never survive it, but I don't care what they say. I'ma do it my own way. Legendary moments, let's go. If these people can't handle the way I do me, I won't have to answer. I finally be free. They say I should do how smile. Now, wait a minute now, I know I sound a little mean, but yet I'm sounding so damn pleased that people know I'm feeling like steam. If you don't like me, at least you gotta respect me for what I have tried to do in the game intensively. Trying to become something else, not just another statistic. Shooting out these automatic people, but knowing I'm ready to get ripped. So if you don't like it, fully automatic, bullets coming out, they coming out rapidly. Your TV with nothing but static. Go ahead, I am back. Go and fucking grab the cat, put it to your back, and now that's what I'm calling a spinal tap. I'm the one that told all my fans I'd do this one more time. Go and try to become the best. Oh yeah, I'm not even in my prime. Told everybody soon as I spit it's like I'm a star. Going in the ridiculous cry, so people been doing it back in time. Let me break it down to you. Told you I ain't in the time. This album dropping is called It's Time to Rise. I will never stand up, I never survive it. I don't care what they say, I'ma do it my own way. Legendary moment, who can handle the way I do me? I won't have to answer, I'll finally be free. Yo, guess what, I'ma do it my way. To all my fans out there wanting me to do another freestyle. Y'all want more? Like and subscribe. Hit your boy up. Let people know about me. Y'all take it easy. Ice Money.